Incremental readings. So you may have heard about SuperMemo, and the first thing you may do is to Google SuperMemo. The intention with this video is to let you know the difference, because there are two apps with the same name. One is what you may see, that is the SuperMemo for language. In my case, because I live in Spain, I get the Spanish version first. I get the localized version of Google. If we go to Wikipedia, you will see that, hey, that's a different software. It's a different thing. This software called SuperMemo, or original name, legal name, we would say, is SuperMemo for Windows. This is the incremental reading app developed mainly by Piotr Wozniak. That is very old, only runs on Windows, looks like very old school, and so on. A lot of people think that SuperMemo is the language app. Let me change to English. Hey, that's SuperMemo. It's like kind of a Duolingo app, right? Well, they do indeed use the same scheduling algorithm for flashcards, and that's the only thing they have in common. Well, they are both under the name of SuperMemo World, that is the company. But this is on the phone, and you have pre-made courses. They couldn't be further away from each other. What also doesn't help is that some people, by the way, me included in the past, when they refer to the other software, SuperMemo for Windows, the incremental reading app, they use this logo that is from the company. So when you see this logo, yeah, it's it. No, it's actually not. It's not SuperMemo. If we go to Wikipedia, what website we have? SuperMemory. It goes here. I don't know why they have chosen this. SuperMemo has so many websites. This also adds insult to the injury. It makes even worse. If we Google SuperMemo store, hey, what is this? SuperMemo 19 and 18 for Windows. That's the one for incremental reading. The one I cover in this YouTube channel that I did about 500 videos about. This is the one. The second one, this is the language app, which is subscription based. Their user base cannot be more distinct to each other. You ended up in this video and you wanted this app, the language app, go there, but don't watch my videos because I don't cover this. I cover the incremental reading app, the real deal. The only app that today fully implements an incremental reading method. Hope I make this clear. Those were my 2 cents. See you incrementally.